Yo, what is going on? It's your dog, Mr. Anime, Big Beelo himself. And I got a video for y'all. But I got some in my drink. Hold on. Alright, we back. I don't even know really how to start this video, but I'ma say I really appreciate y'all. I thank y'all for being here and supporting these videos, supporting me, supporting the things I do. Y'all see the shirt? Y'all see the hat? Yeah, man, go copy out some of that, man. DM me. I got some stuff going on in my store right now, man. So DM me if you need the hat, or if you need the shirt. I got a few left. This video is kind of hard to make, man. I'm not I haven't fully decided on anything, but it's really I think it's really kinda leaning towards it. This wasn't a real hard decision, but it wasn't a real easy one either. I know it's gonna be a lot of y'all that's not gonna agree and all that, and that's cool. You know, it's all good either way. Oh, MayRose. She's dirty. She's very dirty. Very, very dirty. So go ahead and have us a seat. Boy, I ain't sitting here in a while. Yeah, man. Oh, MayRose. Smell like a new car, you know. I'm good with that. But yeah, man. Just wanted to holler at y'all this evening because is that turn right? My Ruchi sign on my steering wheel turn. Yep, that's turn right. That ain't turning. Man. He did put up on right there. Yep. Whew. Alright, y'all, so don't beat me up about this. And don't say I don't want you to say it's because I'm drinking. But man, I done had a lot of fun with this car. I had a lot of fun, man. I done did a lot. I done did a lot. A whole lot. You know what I'm saying? I took pride in this car. I take pride in this car. You know, just to try to, you know what I'm saying, have me some peace. You know what I'm saying? And, you know, do my thing. Express myself, to say the least. Express myself. I think that's what I was doing. I was expressing myself. But now, man, I almost kind of feel like I don't want this car no more. Kind of feel like I don't even really want to be in the car game no more. I don't know. I ain't really talked to my wife about it. I ain't talked to nobody about it. I just feel like I don't want to be in the car game no more. I be seeing a lot of stuff, man, and I just feel like I don't want to be a part of that no more. I ain't made no final decision, nothing like that. But it's sitting there like it's sitting there. And it's like, what you wanna do? She just sitting here, which, you know, y'all know why she's sitting here. But she done me a lot of good. Done me a lot of good. Done me some bad too. Done me a lot of good. And yeah, man, I just, you know, I don't know if I'm outgrowing it or just don't want to be a part, man. You know, I just, I don't know. I don't know, man. Like I said, I ain't made no final decision. But I just don't know. I don't know. I mean, sitting here now, I wish I could go ride right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to, at the same time, it's like, I don't know. Maybe it's a phase. Maybe I get over it. Then again, maybe I won't. I don't know. A part of me wants to keep this thing going. And a part of me wants to say, look, you know, Just let it go. I don't know what's going on outside, but how many years in we is on this car? I got this car back in what, 19? Got it back in 19. 20, 1, 2, 3, 4 years. Yeah, 4 years. Thinking about bringing it back for 24. And I don't know. That ambulance house is close. Like, it's front yard type. Yeah, they just went up the street. Yeah. It's so much more that I want to do to the car, but then at the same time I'm looking at it like, why? I want to do so much, but at the same time I'm just looking at it like, why are you doing it? Like, what's your point? What's your purpose? But I really want to. I really do. So I don't know. I don't even know, dog. I'm just sitting here, sitting in the car looking around now like, man, what you gonna do if you get out the car game? I don't know. I find something else to do. I find some other game to, you know, be a part of and hold my own, I guess. If I was to, I don't know. But I just had to get on here and tell y'all that though. And I got a lot of stuff going on with this thing too. A lot. We ain't gonna worry about the Jeep right now. She'll have our own separate video. But right now, this right here is this where we at. It's crazy, but yeah, people part ways with things, man. And, you know, if it's meant, they'll get it back. But I don't know. And if I do decide to get rid of it, you better understand. I might not even have to say it, but you better understand. It's gonna be a pretty penny. It ain't gonna be cheap. It ain't gonna be cheap at all. Headliner. Roof. MayRose on the shirt. Man on the hat. Yeah. So, how y'all feel about that, man? MayRose and Beelo might be parting ways. But with that being said, You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and check out them links, man. Check out them links in the description, man. And you know, Amazon affiliate type links. Check them out. If it's not something that, you know, you can use, just search Amazon and whatever you gonna get, you know what I'm saying, from my link, man, it'll help me out. Just search Amazon from my link. You know, whatever you decide to purchase, man, it'll help me out. So I really appreciate that. But yeah, man. On MayRose. Might be somebody, might, you know what I'm saying, be good in somebody else's garage or storage unit. You know what I'm saying? You have to come with that bag though, but yeah. Yeah. And I got, you know, I got a lot of stuff, a lot of extra stuff for it. What did he do on that? What's called? Was this it right here? No, it's down there. He put my trans cooler line down there. I mean my boss down there. Yeah, y'all better get with me about these Rockwell transmissions too, man. Get with me. Oh boy. Yeah, man, it ain't the best feeling in the world, but it ain't the worst either. So, that being said, man, I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here. I just wanted to come in, let y'all know that, man, I ain't want to leave the nation out in the dark on decisions that I could be possibly making. Could be possibly making a decision, man, that yeah, might shake up the internet. It might shake up. It's gonna shake up the BeeloNation for sure. This might have been a boring video, man, but it was. I'm pretty sure. I bet it was effective. I bet it was effective, man. Well, yeah. It's your dog, man. Big Beelo, Mr. Ain't Man himself. I'll catch y'all in the next one.